Hi there, I'm Iain Bell, Deputy National Statistician for Population and Public Policy and also in charge of the 2021 census. Well, first of all, a huge thanks to everybody who responded. Without your responses, we will not be able to learn and make the 2021 census the success it needs to be. So huge thank you. And to everybody who worked with us to help us achieve it, also our thanks. We've got a lot of learning to take from this. We're going to take it back, work through it all, and make sure we deliver a successful 2021 census for everyone. So, Diolch I bobl Ceredigion, Carlisle, Tower Hamlets and Hackney. Thank you. We run one because it's a huge undertaking. Some people liken it to a statistical Olympics. You get one shot, you've got to get it right. And you wouldn't go into an Olympics without rehearsing it the same way, so we need to do it. It lets us test all our systems interact, lets us know how we need to engage and what respondents are feeling so that we can deliver a successful 2021 census. Because after all, the census is not just about counting the population. It ensures schools, education, services, hospitals and health services deliver what are needed for the populations up and down the country. Well, we've got all the learnings to take away. We've got to filter that, feed that through into the system and make sure that 2021 delivers for us. Also, we're going to be rehearsing more about how we process the results to deliver our commitment for the first results within a year. In 2021, every 10 years, we go out and we ask the entire population to complete the census. This is about how we get services to where people need them. In Carlisle, I heard about how it had enabled walking and cycling infrastructure to be developed. In Ceredigion, I heard about how playgrounds and sports facilities had been developed in Llantywi Brefi and Cardigan, which were meeting local community needs and helping with well-being and mental health. And in London and Tower Hamlets and Hackney, the fire brigade use it to prioritise call-outs for people who may be more vulnerable. Mental health charities use it in order to deliver the services they need. And it's not just about these big national distribution of funding. Up and down the country, people are using this to help improve their local communities.